Hello children, now we are going to see an imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence gives a command, demand or instructions directly to an audience and typically begins with an action word or verb. This is because the subject of this type of sentence tends to be the audience that's being directly addressed or commanded to do something. Okay. Implied subject. The subject of an imperative sentence is usually you. Okay. Imperative sentences can be either affirmative or negative, which means they can tell a person to either do or not do something. Here, in this recipe of my favorite food, I'm going to give you instructions directly to an audience, that is you, the listeners. Okay, you start preparing the recipe. So, respond to my instructions. An imperative sentence gives a command, demand, or instructions directly to an audience. The implied subject is you. Are you ready to respond on my instructions? Now, I'm going to prepare a recipe of my favorite food, black urad dal kali recipe. The ingredients are black urad dal half cup, raw rice 2 tablespoons, that is optional, palm jaggery 1 cup, water 2 cups, sesame oil or gingerly oil half cup, dry ginger powder half teaspoon, cardamom powder half teaspoon. Shall I start instructing now? Will you respond to my instructions? Okay. Yes, we shall start now. The first step is add urad dal in a pan and dry roast until pleasant aroma comes. Remove and cool down once done. Number 2. Add rice in the same pan and dry roast until puffy. Remove and cool down once done. Rice is optional. Third, transfer to a mixie jar and grind it to a fine powder. Fourth step, take palm jaggery in a saucepan, add water until immerse level, heat until it dissolved and melts completely. Fifth step, strain the palm jaggery water to remove impurities. Take the ground urad rice powder in a thick bottomed pan and add 2 cups of water. 7th point is mix well with a whisk. Cook in low flame until the urad dal gets cooked well. Add palm jaggery syrup, cardamom powder and dry ginger powder. Mix well. Add in sesame oil and mix well. Keep stirring with spatula until it thickens. To check the kali is done, dip your fingers in water, take some kali and try to roll. You should be able to roll smoothly. Switch off the flame once the stage is reached. Coat with little oil or ghee. Make small balls and serve. Now, healthy ulundu kali is ready. I hope you enjoyed my favorite recipe. Also, thank you for your response on my instructions.